My wife passed away about 3 years ago, and I miss her very much. Her name was Hilda.
Hilda.
And the boys introduced me. They invited me for a Sweet 16 party, and I went with them. And then I remember I took a girl home from that party, and she was about a block away from the last stop of the bus. So I took the bus, and then they went 1 block further, and they picked up a whole gang of kids, and my wife was amongst them. And she said, "Oh, look, there's Mickey." And she came over and sat down next to me, and since then we started to go with each other. I was 16, and she was 15. And we got married when I was 21 or 22, and she was also about 19, 20. And we were happily married for 70 years.
So what made you fall for her?
Her cheeks. She had round cheeks. So I used to pinch them all the time. But we were both in love, and we lived together, not like today.
Was love at first sight?
Well, you might say that.